Move over eBay. There's a new auction in town, and it only takes a penny to get in on the action.
Dorothy Tucker takes a look at penny auctions, which can be a bargain bonanza for some and bad news for others.
$400 golf club for about $6.50.
No coupons, no rebates. Holly McDowell won all this stuff.
It's almost like playing a slot machine.
But instead of feeding quarters, you're clicking a mouse. Each bid is recorded as 1 penny, but in reality, you're paying more because you have to buy the bids.
I think it's a good way to get something less expensive than you would get at the store.
Stuart Cruz has won $800 worth of merchandise, spending only $300, which means he controls his bidding.
Here's how it works. Just when you think you're about to win, another bidder jumps in.
So the clock restarts and the price keeps rising. Experts say it can be addictive.
The problem occurs when you cross the line, when you are now spending the money that you really should be using for other things.
And remember, there's only one winner.
So, for every winner, there are a lot of suckers, right? People who didn't win.
Bidding on items you don't win can add up. To decrease his losses and increase his chances of winning, Stuart does a little homework. Before he bids on an item, he checks to see how much it sold for the last time it was auctioned off.
So your $10 gift card might go for $1, so I might start entering at 80 cents or 75 cents.
As a first-time bidder, I got lucky.
I won! I won a coffee maker.
Sold to me for 52 cents. I also won 5 gift cards for a few pennies. But remember, each penny bid has a 60-cent charge. In the end, I made 46 bids on items I won and lost. Plus, I had to pay for shipping. Bottom line, I won $84.55 worth of merchandise, and it cost me $47.90.
Okay, as you can see, it's really easy to get kind of caught up in the auction.
Now let's take a closer look at my winnings. Remember, this is the $19.99 coffee maker that I got. My winning bid, 52 cents.
That's
but
incredible.
Again, I had to pay for each bid. I had to pay for the shipping, so it really cost me $8.50, which is still a pretty good bargain.
It's definitely a bargain. You're easy to please, too, right?
I am.
I get excited as well. And you also got some gift cards.
The gift cards, yeah. This one, $25 gift card. My bid, a nickel. I got a $10 gift card. I think it cost me 17 cents. A little pricey there.
That is incentive to get on. Thank you very much, Dorothy.
Tomorrow night at 10, what's